Hello everyone, this is Munam from WP Swings and welcome all of you to our channel of WP Swings, where we discuss WordPress and WooCommerce solutions that can help you grow your online business, which will ultimately assist you to provide a top-notch user experience and customer satisfaction. Hence, stay tuned with our channel to keep getting back-to-back product tutorials and interesting updates. Today's demo video is on the Track Orders for WooCommerce free plugin, in which I will demonstrate how to set up the plugin. You can check and download the plugin from the video's description, or for any doubts you can put your queries in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. Before proceeding with the plugin setup part, let's understand what is Track Orders for WooCommerce. Track Orders for WooCommerce is a free plugin that lets the WooCommerce merchants add order tracking for customers so that the customers are updated with the real-time tracking. The plugin also allows the addition of various stages to shipping so that the customer is acknowledged at every stage till the order fulfillment process in order to provide a complete order tracking to the customers. Moreover, the plugin offers predefined templates of order tracking for customers, Google Maps order tracking, email notification for order status change, and much more. So now let us move to the backend settings. We are on the WordPress dashboard, and before we move to the plugin setup part, if you really like watching the plugin setup videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. So now let us first see how we can quickly install the plugin. So for easily installation of the plugin, you can hover on plugins and click on add new. And here you can search for Track Orders for WooCommerce, or you can also upload the zip file from here, and you can choose the zip file here and you can click on install now, and then you can click on activate. So this is how you can easily install the plugin. So once you have installed the plugin, so you can hover on WP Swings and click on Track Orders for WooCommerce. So we are on the backend settings of Track Order for WooCommerce plugin. So in this video we will discuss what are the free features included in this plugin. So here as you can see that these are the various tabs that are general settings, track order, custom order status, template, track order with Google Maps, shipping services, and overview section, and developer. So here in this overview section, the admin will get a basic idea about what the plugin is all about and what are the free plugin benefits. So from here the admin can easily get the basic idea of this plugin. Now let us move to next tab, that is general settings. So here as you can see that the very first field is enable the plugin. So when I will go to shop page like here, so as you can see that when I will go to my account section, so the option of tracking the order is not coming here because from the backend we have disabled this functionality. So let's enable this functionality. Next field is enable order tracking using order ID only. So from here if the admin wants to enable this, so from here the admin can enable this. Otherwise in default cases guest user can track order using email and order ID. So from here if you want to restrict to track the order using order ID, so from here you have to enable this. Next is if you want to provide the feature to export the order for the logged in user, so from here you can do it. And if you want to allow the functionality for the exporting the order for the guest user, so you have to enable it from here. So for the logged in user I have enabled this. Next is enable use of icon for order status. In the backend, if you want to show the icon for the different order status like shipping, processing, on hold, so from here you have to enable this functionality. So we have also provided this email notification feature by which the customers will get an update on changing the order status, if it is on hold or processing or shipping. So from here you can enable this, so the customers will get the notification via email for the order status changing. So after doing all the backend configurations, you have to click on save settings. And now when I will go to my account section and refresh this, so as you can see that the option of export order button is coming here. So from here the customers can easily click on this button and export the orders in the CSV format. So as you can see that this is how the customers can easily export the order data from here. And as you can see that the option of tracked order button is coming here because from the backend we have enabled this functionality. So this is how this functionality works, and make sure you have enabled this functionality to start the functionality of tracking the orders. And if you want to allow the functionality to export the order for the logged in users. So from here you have to enable this. Like if I will disable this and click on save settings and let me refresh this, so as you can see that the option has disappeared. So this is how we have provided these various functionalities that you can configure as per your requirements or as per your store requirements. So this was all about the general settings tab. Now let us move to next tab, that is track order. So we are on the track orders tab. So from here the admin will find the settings related to enabling the track orders features and enable the use of custom order status. So basically from here the admin can enable this track orders feature. And next is if the admin wants to enable the use of custom order status, like whatever the custom order status that he has created, so like he can enable this, and here he can use this custom order status. So I will explain you how to create the custom order status and here add this. Like we have provided these three approval, processing and shipping. So from here for this approval stage the admin can enter the custom order status for the approval stage, like on hold or whatever the custom order status that the admin has created. So it will show here, like as you can see that it is showing as let me show you, order checked, custom status, order packed, order dispatched. So what does this means? Let's suppose like if the order is on hold, so on the track order the customers will see the status as approved, and when the order status is changed to processing, so it will show the processing. And once the order status has been changed to order shipped, so it will show on the tracking as shipping. Like let me go here to my account section. Let me show you how this will work. Like firstly let me go to shop page and place any order, and let me proceed to checkout. So once you have filled all the details at the checkout, so let me click on place order, and now let me refresh this here. So this is the order that I have placed just now. So as you can see that the status is on hold. So let me see here, like for the on hold status it must show like approved. So let me click on track order, and here let me click on track order. So this is the order details section, as you can see that. So for this particular, as you can see that what is the order details and visitor information, and from here the customer can easily track their order. So as you can see that it is showing as placed, and now because it is on hold, so it is showing as the approved. And as soon as the status is changed from on hold to processing, so then it will show for the processed. So let me go back again, and here let me go to order section. So we are on the order section, and here this is the order that I have placed just now. So let me open this, and here for now the status is showing as on hold. So let me change it to processing, and let me click on update. So as you can see that I have changed the order status to processing, and now let me go here for this track order and let me refresh this. So now as you can see that the two options are changed to green, like it has been placed and it has been approved. Now it is in the processing stage because we have changed the order status. And let's suppose again if I will change it to like let me order shipped, and let me click on update. So for this order shipped it must show as shipping. So here let me refresh this again. So as you can see that now it is in the status of shipped, as you can see that here. So for these three stages you can add multiple custom order status, like whatever the custom order status you will select here. So from the backend, whatever the custom order status is selected, so it will show that stage on which that particular order status is selected. Like let's suppose I have also selected like custom status, and when I will click on save settings, so when I will go to here order section, and if I will select like custom status like this, and if I will click on update, so then also on the tracking it will show as approved, because in this section I have also added this custom status for this approval stage. So this is how you can add multiple custom order status as per your requirements. So this was all about the track order and how you can add custom order status for these various stages like approval, processing and shipping. Now let us move to next tab, that is custom order status, and I will explain you how to create custom orders and then you can add it here. So we are on the custom order status tab. So from here the admin can easily create the custom order status from here by clicking on it here. So from here the admin can click on create custom order status and create custom orders, and then he can here select like custom order status that can be used in the tracking. Like let's suppose I have created this custom status and 2 or 3 I have also created, but I have deleted them. So you can also delete the custom order status that you have created. So let me click on create custom order status. So here the admin can write the name. So I am writing like one pause. So from here the admin can easily create new custom order status, like I have given the name, and here you can upload the default logo. So let me click on upload and let me click on this. So as you can see that now it has been added. So this is how the admin can easily create the custom order status. And like let's suppose I have created this. So this custom order status has been created. So as you can see that now the order status, the custom order status I have created, that is pause, and this is the image. But here when I will not enter it here, like here I have not selected the custom status to use in tracking. So when I will go to track order here, so here when I will select any of the like custom order status in all these 3 stages, like when I will click here, so as you can see that all the rest of the order status are coming here, but pause order is not coming here, because from here I have not added this custom order status to use to be used in the tracking. So let me add this pause and let me click on save settings. And when I will go here, so now when I will search it for here, so as you can see that the custom order status pause is coming here, because from here we have also created this order and added in the custom order status. So make sure when you are creating the custom order status, so you have selected the custom status here in this box that will be used in the tracking. Then only you can use these custom order status in these 3 stages, like approval, processing or shipping, as per your requirements. Like let's suppose I have also added pause. So when I will select like pause, so in the tracking it must show like approved. So let me click on save settings and let me go to shop page. So we are on the shop page, and let me add one of the product, and let me click on view cart and let me proceed to checkout. And here let me place the order. So the order has been placed, and let me go to the order sections, and here let me click on orders. So here as you can see that this is the order that I have placed just now. And here when I will click on like pause, select like the order is on the pause, and let me click on update. So I have updated the order to pause. So now let me go to my account section, and here let me click on orders and let me click on track order, and let me click on this. So as you can see that it is showing on the approval because we have selected in this here, like for this approval, any of the order status which is selected like on hold or pause, so it must show approved. So this is how you can add multiple custom order status that you have created and use this in this various stage like approval, processing or shipping. So this is how the functionality of track order track order and custom order status works. So now let us move to next tab, that is template. So in this free plugin we have provided these 3 templates that you can use for tracking, like template 1, template 2 and template 3. So for now this template is active. So if you want to change it to this, so you can click on activate. So now template 2 has been selected, and here let me go here and let me refresh this. So as you can see that now it is showing for approval stage, because the order status we have changed it to pause, and we have selected this custom order status for the approval stage from here like this. So that's why it is showing here, and the template that we have selected, it is coming here. So this is how you can select these 3 different templates as per your requirements. So now let us move to next tab, that is track order with Google Maps. So we are on the track order with Google Maps tab. So from here you can easily enable Google Maps for tracking, and here you can enter the Google Map API key so that the customers can easily track their orders with the help of Google Maps instead of seeing from the template version. Like if we have provided like these three templates, so in case if you don't want to provide the tracking via these templates, if you want to show them via Google Maps for this live tracking, so from here you can enable this, and you can enter the Google Map API. So from here you can enter this, and here you can enter the addresses from your order has gone through. So from here you can enter the different addresses, like suppose let me show you an example, like I have added this address, and here I can select that. So as you can see that now it is coming as unknown. So as you can see that these are the various address, these are the various hub point address from your from where the address has gone through. So these are different addresses that you can select and show on your tracking, like from at which point your order has at which point your order is there. Like let me explain you in detail. Like let me click on save settings, and now let me just place any order. So we are on the shop page, and let me place any order. So let me click on track order. So as you can see that now it is showing like now it is not showing in the template form. The tracking is not showing in the template that we have selected, because if you have enabled this functionality, so it will override these template tracking, so it will show only with the Google Maps. So from here you can easily see this. So as you can see that now the template is not coming, because from the backend we have enabled this functionality of Google Maps, so that will override these template that we have selected for tracking. And as you can see that from here the customers can easily see their order tracking on the Google Maps very easily. And one more thing, when I will go to the backend settings, first let me cut this, and here let me click on orders, and here this is the order that I have placed just now, and the order is on hold. So here as you can see that here the option is now coming as select city when your package reaches the desired city. So here let me select like one of the cities. So like I have selected this city, and let me click on update. So now when I will refresh the here, so as you can see that the order status is on hold, but the package has reached on Kanpur at this time and at this date. So this is how you can update the city status or your hub points, like from the main point to the delivery, which are your hub points for which your order will go through. Like you can add multiple hub points like 3 to 4, and you can keep on updating the status of your hub points, so that the customers can get the idea like where your order has reached, and finally when it will be delivered. So this is how this functionality of this track order with Google Maps works. And as soon as you will change the order, you will change the city, so it will be automatically updated. Like let me show here. So as you can see that firstly it was showing like this, now it is showing as Varanasi. So as you can see that here, and from here you can easily change the status like this, order shipped, and let me click on update. And when I will refresh this, so as you can see that it has been shipped. So it is showing the final last hub point that was updated by the admin. So this is how the customers will get each and every tracking details for the order, starting from the order placing, and then the hub points, then the shipping, and finally when it will be when it will be delivered. So this is how this functionality of track order with Google Maps work. So if you want to enable this, you can enable it from here, and if you want to use the template that we have provided for tracking, so that you can also use, and then you can click on save settings. Now let us move to next tab, that is shipping services. So we are on the shipping services tab. So with this free plugin, you will get the integration with FedEx shipment, so you can easily provide the FedEx shipment tracking to your customers. So from here you can easily enable the third-party tracking API, and then you can enter the physical address of your shop like from here, and you can get the keys from the by creating the FedEx developer account, and then you can enable this FedEx shipment tracking. So after you have got the FedEx user key and FedEx user password, so you can enter it here, and then you can enter the FedEx account number, and then you can enter the FedEx meter number. So basically the FedEx meter number is like FedEx meter number uses the permit of your shipping meter, so by which the customers will get a tracking link in their order confirmation email, and by selecting this tracking link, so they can access the current status of their order with this FedEx shipment tracking. So this is how this shipping services work. So if you want to enable this, so from here you can easily enable or disable this. Now let us move to general settings, and here in this I have explained you about this enable use of icon for order status. So basically if this functionality is enabled, and when I will hover on orders, so as you can see that the icons are showing here because we have enabled this functionality to show the icon instead of text for order status in the order table. So basically if you will disable this, and now when I will refresh this, so as you can see that now it is the order status is showing in the text format. To make this more enhanced, so you can enable this functionality to use the icons instead of text. So you can click on save settings, and now let me refresh this. So now let me place an order and show you the complete tracking, how this is done till the delivery. So let me go to the shop page. So we are on the shop page, and let me place any order, and let me click on view cart, and let me proceed to checkout. And now let me place the order. So now let me go to my account, and let me click on orders. So this is the order that I have placed just now, and the status is showing on hold. So let me click on track order. So as you can see that the template that we have selected is coming here, and as you can see that it is showing as approval. So when I will go to the order section, and here let me refresh this. So this is the order. So let me open this. So let me now place it to processing, and let me click on update. So when I will refresh this, so the status should go on processing. So now it is in processing. Now let me change it to shipping, and if I want to like give the estimated delivery date, so from here I can give it will be delivered on 12th, and delivery time I have selected like this. Let's suppose I have selected this, and let me click on update. So now let me refresh this. So as you can see that the disclaimer is coming as your order is expected to be delivered by October 12th, and this is the time that we have selected. And now the status for the tracking, it is showing as shipping. So the order has been shipped. So as soon as I will go to the order section, and when I will mark this complete, so automatically it will show delivered. Let me refresh this. So as you can see that directly now it is showing as delivered, and your order is completed and delivered on October 11. That is this, because from the backend we have selected October 11. And as soon as the status is changed at the particular time, so only that time it will show at which the order was completed and delivered. So this is how at every stage you are changing the order status, so it will show here. So the customers will get the detailed tracking of their orders from the approval to processing, shipping, and finally the product being delivered to their particular address. And one more thing, they will also get the email notifications for every order status change. So let me show you how the customers will receive the email notifications. Firstly, the order was on hold, so the customer has got this message like current order is on hold, and let me go back. Now second, we have changed it to processing, so it is showing on the processing. As you can see that now the current order status is on processing, as you can see that here. And then we have changed it to shipping, so the mail has also come for shipping. So as you can see that for every order status change, the email notification will be received for the customers about their order status, like on which particular order status is there, like it has been shipped or not, or it is on hold, or it is on processing. So for every status change, the customers will get the email notification, because from the backend we have enabled this functionality, like the customers will be getting the email notifications. Like from here we have enabled this enable email notification feature, so that's why the customers will be receiving the email notification on changing order status. So this was all about the track orders for WooCommerce free plugin. in which I have explained you about all the free features of this plugin. Now let us see the major advantages of the plugin. Now let us see the major advantages of Track Orders for WooCommerce plugin. The Order Tracker plugin offers user ID tracking, by which the customers can easily track their orders with the help of user ID. Moreover, the logged in users can export the order tracking details in CSV format. The Order Tracker plugin also provides email notifications to the customers for every order status change. The Order Tracker plugin also provides pre-built order templates for order tracking, and the plugin also provides track order buttons for the customers so that they can click on the track order button and track for their orders. The links to the product have been mentioned in the video's description. You can check and get all the details. For any doubts, contact us anytime and we will be glad to help you. And if you are facing any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, so you can mention your queries in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest updates related to our channel. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.